Hindi po ako nagkakamali, sir. Meron 2 million pesos cash na pwedeng i-pick up ng mga congressman ngayong linggong ito. At baka yung iba, mas mataas. Baka yung iba, for whatever reason, hindi binibigyan. Hindi ko po alam kasi hindi ko po kinukuha yung akin. Pero mabuti po na malaman ng publiko, may ganitong klaseng mga bonus na nagkataon ay halos kasabay ng approval ng budget. Nung Oktubre din, dagdagan ko po, may 1.5 million pesos na ibinigay sa araw ng pagboto para sa budget. At buwan-buwan, meron pong mahigit kumulang 1 million pesos per member. Ang lumalabas po, ang isang representante ay may 20 million pesos of MOOE at sweldo kada taon.
Christmas bonus po.
I don't think everybody got 2 million. Okay?
Higher?
No, I don't think anybody got I don't think everybody got 2 million, and I don't think anybody got higher than 2 million, you know. And in the last analysis, it's not a Christmas bonus. It is an additional funding for your Christmas requirements in your district. Okay?
Ano Christmas requirements? What is per district requirements per district?
Well, you know, Christmas party ka sa mga barangay captain mo, health activity ka, you will do mga consultations, di ba? Mga ganon. Many things, but siyempre, you know, people are expecting the congressman to show up in their district and help them, you know, for whatever it is they need help for.